The bumper reinforcement is damaged. It's supposed to be curved, but since the car has been in an accident, it's almost straight. It just, it just kind of ruined a lot of things. The new bumper cover could not fit properly because this thing was straight. It's supposed to be curved, so it didn't allow me to put it on and slide into place. So I had to have it removed for about 3 weeks until I got another one, along with the engine splash shield, which was missing on the car. And it's just something stupid because I did not expect this at all. So there was plans already for the car, like new shocks and new radiator and water pump, which was already on the list. But it kind of set me back a little bit because of this extra thing I had to buy. I don't have a lower radiator support, and the radiator right now has a corner that is bent. So it does have some damage. It doesn't overheat, but it's just something stupid. I'm just like, really? This is the old, that's a used one that bought from eBay. It's from a 2008 STS. Notice how perfect that one is. It comes with the bolts, the whole bit. It's perfectly fine. This one is pretty much screwed up, obviously. It's almost straight. Well, this one's more like a curved banana kind of thing going on. The frame horns are in perfect condition. That one's bent, damaged, all that. So, yeah. It's a deep blue right here. Now the reason being, why am I painting this blue? Well, I'll get to the color right now, but the reason why I'm painting the bumper reinforcement is because I'm never going to touch this thing again unless it crashed and I had to get another one, whatever. But the reason why I'm painting it blue is to pretty much give you guys an idea on what color I want the car. Right now she's red, black, whatever. So the colors I'm planning to do is to paint the whole car completely black with some silver parts, like the side mirrors and the roof strip. That will be silver, but the entire car will be black. And I'm gonna wrap the bumper, quarter panels, doors, front fenders, and the front bumper. Those are gonna be wrapped blue. I'm not sure what kind of blue, but I'm kind of thinking like a darkish, not like midnight blue. That's a little too dark. I'm talking about like a date blue. There's some different types of blues out there I'm still looking at. I just gotta see. I want to see what kind of finish would be good too. I don't think gloss would really do it for me. I'm kind of looking for a metallic, but this is pretty much it. It's gonna look kind of wild given it's a vibrant color, and you're gonna be seeing it right through the grill in broad daylight. So I think that's gonna be pretty wild. This is all nice and touched up now. Go ahead and make this hood trim match the grill. Here is the front. I got the top right here. Let's look at it from the back. Got the bottom of it as well. Here's the front exactly. See? And then just letting this dry, then I'll clear coat it matte. That way it matches the grill. Nasty. I officially hate wrapping. It's going so well, but dude, this is so annoying. This is my 4th sheet already, dude. I keep getting like these stupid lines and creases. I can't get rid of them. All right, it's finally done. Oh yeah, ultra autism. So here is the new bumper reinforcement installed. It's in place. So now the car has its protection back, and it's gonna look pretty wild. I don't know what to say on this part. Right on. So the bump cover is now on there perfectly fine. Good fit. Same with the grille. Little angry headlights here. The wrap is holding up well. I just got to redo this one. It's kind of off. Got that little fang. I gotta do a bigger one. That one's not that big for me. Let's see. On the bottom, I got that splash guard. or engine undercover, whatever the hell it is. I was missing that. You see the new bumper reinforcement under the grill there. Looks really nice. Letting you guys know she's gonna be blue one day. She's getting there. But let's just take a quick walk around. 18-inch rims, you know, shout out to my Instagram for the car. Got that roof spoiler on the top right there. Yep. So next up, I'm gonna buy a new taillight here because the brake lights, the bulbs are all dead and it's all a single unit. It's really stupid. So the only way to fix that, you got to buy a whole new assembly. Kind of dumb, but whatever. Then tint that black, and also with the lamp up there. Window visors, repair the sunroof. That thing does not go forward. I had to force it closed. What else? Just for this video, I think that's about it. And then get the new radiator, no, get the shocks, then the radiator and water pump, and we'll move on from there. Yeah, the transmission solenoid's definitely gotta go. It drops in neutral a few times in first gear and third gear for sure. Get a good shot on that. Try to see if it's level with the front.
So the front's a little bit higher.
Yeah, that's so. Here are the old springs. They weigh maybe just about the same as the new ones, but as you can tell, just regular old springs. Now for the shocks, these have some weight to it. Holy crap! Definitely way heavier than the other shocks, but yeah, these seriously needed to go. And the fact that to mod these things, if I were to use the Neva shocks, which are these, the load leveling, in order for it to work with the lowering springs, I would have to adjust the top mount. So I had to pretty much raise this plate up, I believe, an inch. I think it's raising it or lower. No, it's raising it, but you have to modify the spacer and all that crap, and it's just unnecessary stuff where you just simply get the shocks I purchased and the springs and just throw it on there, and it just turned out really good. Now I just need to get rid of the dinks on this side, get rid of this dent, pull it out. This is already rolled from factory, so that's cool. And I'll go ahead and roll these parts of the fenders and then pull them. For the front, I do have lowering springs for the front. However, considering that the rear was higher and I dropped it 1.3 inches, the front is lower by factory, and by dropping it 1.4 inches, this will most definitely touch the tire, probably even by just sitting, or maybe just be like that much close to hitting the tire. And the wheels do poke out a tiny bit, so I'm not going to lower it with the front springs. I'm just going to get rid of them. I'll probably purchase some. They're like an inch or so. I think the ABOC ones or the D3. I'm not too sure how I'm going to pull that off, but yeah. And then the new fenders, I got to get new ones that have the side grill cut out. That was available on the 08, 9, 10, and 11 STS. I have my own grill right there. Pull them and roll them. That way it'll just, you know, look flush with the front wheel. I'm not going to lower it by then, but the back is definitely satisfying.